I'm gonna show you how to connect Google Calendar to Builderall. So to get started, you have to open your Builderall first, and then from there you have to log into your account. And then on the left side pane, you have to click on Build, and then go to Build a Booking Calendar. And then from there you have to click on, you will be redirected to Booking Builder. And then once you're on Booking Builder, you have to click on My Calendars. And then from there you will be now redirected to your workspace. So from here you have to select whatever you desired. So from here just click here on edit. So from here you will be now redirected again to the next page, so wait for it to load. And then from here all you have to do is just scroll down and locate for automation. And once you locate automation, you have to click on this one, and you will see right here that you have to sync with Google Calendar or do not sync without Google Calendar. So from there you just have to click on add calendar right here, and from there you have to select an account or just create a new integration with Google Calendar. So from there a pop-up will show up, then you will have to select a account which you're going to sync with Google Calendar. Make sure to click this icon right here when it pops up. You have to check this one, and once you are filling it up or selecting, you have now to select on a calendar, which is an account. Then click on read one way, and after that you have to scroll up and then save the progress right here. And once you're done, you have now sync your Google Calendar to Builderall.